Hey, how's it going, Derek? This is Jesus. First and foremost, man, I just want to thank you for watching this video. I'm going to show you just some tips and tricks on how to do your own SEO and how to outrank your competitors so you can bring in more revenue, okay, for your business. So the three things, man, that we're going to talk about today are content, we're going to talk about backlinks, and then we're going to talk about citations, okay? If those three words are new to you, like, no worry, I'm going to just break them down to you really quick, okay? First and foremost, man, I did have some trouble finding your website because the one that you have on Facebook is not the same one that it is on your Google page. So, but this is a sweet website. I really like it. It's really nicely done. I have no complaints over it, man. It's actually really good. All right, but unfortunately, man, Google doesn't care about how nice a website looks. They actually only care about content. Okay, so that's the first thing, like I said, we're going to talk about. So content is the amount of words you have on your web page, and then how many of those keywords are relatable to your business, right? So if I were to highlight here all of your content, all right, I'm just going to copy this. Let's see how many words you have here on your web page. All right, so you have roughly 555 words, which isn't like super drastic, but if you wanted an authoritative website, you needed you would need at least 15 to 2,000 words, okay, with lots of keywords in there, saying things like appliance repair Texas, Dallas, Texas, excuse me, appliance repair. Richardson, appliance repair Dallas, just in general, or you can even use a phrase like the appliance repair company that Dallas trusts. You know, just simple things like that would help bring your keyword count up, which would allow Google to find you a lot better. All right, so those are that, and you would need a lot of keywords. Okay, so if I'm using this tool called Ahrefs. All right, since I'm in the industry, I'm paying for a tool like this, but there are a lot of tools, man, that you can definitely use if you were to just Google keyword finder, backlink finder, things like that for free. You'd definitely be able to pull up some free tools. Okay, so just looking at what your website is getting for traffic wise, this is a rough estimate of exactly how many people are visiting your website per month. Okay, as you can see, it's 0. It could be more. Obviously, it can't be any less, but you're not getting any sort of traffic value. Okay, and you have approximately 4 organic keywords that this tool found on your website. All right, so I'm going to click on it, Urban Brothers, which is kind of like obviously it's not going to have any keyword difficulty. TV mounting, TV installation, Dallas. See, so there's nothing here that says appliance repair, right? If that's like your main thing. All right, so and then we're gonna go back here. I'm gonna show you your backlinks and referring domains. So your referring domains, man, are just basically websites that link back to your website, and this shows how many times they link back to your website. Okay, so if I were to click on your referring domains, you have addonbiz.com, best apps finder, find repair service, best, which is great. You know, these two right here are super great for bringing up the amount of power and the amount of traffic that are going to your website, but you're definitely going to need more, considering that your competition, these guys right here, ASAP Appliance Texas, has 54 referring domains and 1,000 over 1,000 backlinks, right? And look at the amount of keywords they have. How much people are visiting their website per month, and look at the amount of traffic value. Like, those are a lot of calls that you're missing out on, potential revenue, potential customers that you're missing out on. And I mean, I get it, you know, like a lot of the times we're busy and we're not, you know, sure exactly what we're doing in our businesses, and I completely understand that, man, especially when it comes to all this new stuff, the technology and things like that. So definitely you want to bring up your keywords. As I was saying, like, these guys have a ton of keywords here. I mean, you can use all these keywords. Look at that: washer repair Dallas, oven repair Dallas, dryer repair Dallas. So you would definitely want to put these keywords into your website to start ranking higher than your opponents, okay? And the good thing about these backlinks and these keywords is that if they're good enough to rank your opponent, then they're good enough to rank you. So all you would have to do is just do the research, put in all this information yourself, and start ranking your website, man. Start getting some more clients. So the last thing I want to talk to you about are citations, okay? Now, I did see that I'm pretty sure you're paying for this spot here Appliance Brothers Repair. I just typed in Appliance Repair Dallas, Texas, and you showed up right here. So you're paying, obviously, I'm not sure if you're getting a good ROI on that, but most of the traffic, okay, since we're talking about citations, are right here in this area, okay? And the way to get here in this box here is to have more citations than your competitors, okay? And how you get more citations is putting your address, your phone number, your website, and your business name on a bunch of directories, all right? And directories are like Yelp, you've got Home Advisor, excuse me. Sorry, man, I had to cough. Home Advisor, you've got, as I said, Yelp, you've got Yellow Pages, the White Pages. So anywhere that your business can be found in a directory, that is going to help build your citation list, okay? Now, these guys probably have anywhere between, I don't know, 150 to 200. So I would just one up them, man. Even if you had 201 citations, you'd be up here in this little box here. And like I said, this is probably the most important thing. This is where all of your traffic goes, okay? Backlinks and referring domains help you get here, right? And I don't know if you're like me, I rarely click the number 2 there down there, okay? As well as 78% of other people, they don't click that number 2, okay? Most of the traffic you're looking at right here, this is where people are getting all of their information. This is where people are getting what they want. So just to kind of recap, bro, the first thing you're going to want to do is up your content to at least 1,500 words. I don't know who you pay to do that. I mean, you can do that yourself, I guess, if you have access to your website like that. Up your keywords, man. So just like I said, Appliance Repair Dallas, Texas, as I was looking at your website, there's hardly any keywords in there. So up in your keywords, and that's how you can rank up here. Backlinks, the same thing, going into your competitor's webpage, seeing how many backlinks they have, and putting them all in yours. Some of them do charge, man, so that you can put your website up there. But I mean, scared money doesn't make money, you know what I mean? So let's see what else. Oh, and then citations. Lastly, citations. Just research the amount of citations and where you can find your competitors, and then you would just put all those in on your own business so you can rank up here, right? So if a Saurian right here, Appliance Repair, had, like I said, 200 citations, just one up them by 1 and you'll take this #1 spot. So you're probably wondering, like, where you go from here, man. And to be honest, you have 2 options, right? You can do this yourself, and I mean, all power to you, man. It does take quite a bit of time to get you ranked up here. And a lot of research. You can do this yourself, like I said, all those 3 steps: the content, the backlinks, and the citations, which is a lot of research involved. Or you can pay someone to do it. Obviously, I'm in the industry, so if you need help with anything, man, you could definitely reach out, and I'll see what I can do about helping you. All right, man. Well, once again, thanks for watching this video, and we'll talk to you soon.